Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Eufy Security for app setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your Eufy Security device ready for setup. Download the Eufy Security app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your mobile device. Open the Eufy Security app once the installation is complete. Tap on Create an account if you are a new user. If you already have an account, select Login and enter your credentials. For new users, enter your email address and choose a strong password. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Once your information is entered, tap on Register. Check your email for a verification message from Eufy Security. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Return to the Eufy Security app to log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, tap on Add Device. Select the type of Eufy Security device you wish to set up. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Ensure your device is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, customize your device settings as preferred. Review the features available in the app for your specific device. Complete the setup process by following any additional prompts. Your Eufy Security device is now ready to use with the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.